All right, just following on from what Andrew was doing with the aluminium, if you've got a couple of plastic rollers, just cylinders, then you can use those along with a block of copper. Works really well. Aluminium's a reasonable backup, and then you can use your neodymium magnet and demonstrate Lenz's law beautifully. And so you can probably see that the magnet isn't touching the metal in any way, shape or form. Not that the copper's magnetic anyway, but you can roll that without touching. The other one to do is, as Andrew said, be very careful with your students with these magnets. I probably wouldn't give them this one to hold, but you can pass around the block and get the students to push the magnet along near the surface of the block and feel that resistance. The other really cool one to do with this, and it might take a little bit to get all of the parts that are going to work if you can't buy a kit, but both of these blocks of metal are the same dimensions, and we've got these little plastic holders that came with the set that we got from Vic Uni, and you can hold those together equidistant using these little bits of plastic. There we go. Now this is a non-magnetic replica of the neodymium magnet, and so I'd normally get students to look through the gap and drop the non-magnetic one down first. Falls through as expected. And then compare that to the neodymium magnet dropping down. And that's a really cool variation on the old magnet down a copper pipe. If you want to do it with copper pipe, that works really well. Longer sections of copper pipe, and if you hold them at an angle, and again have a non-magnetic piece to demonstrate with, and that's a beautiful demonstration there.